Hello, and welcome to our short video series which covers everything you need to know about LaunchPad Online and how to use it and get the best out of it. This video will explore the appointments we offer and how to book one. The Appointments module can be accessed through the Appointment tab at the top of the dashboard. When you click through, you are taken here. The page is quite simple to follow and there is a list of all our advisors and their subject areas. There is also information about the different appointments we offer, including 30-minute one-to-ones, study abroad queries and DBS document checks. Once you've decided on the appointments, click on the location and click Search. Under normal circumstances, this can be done on campus, online or over the phone. Once you have clicked Search, you will be directed to a calendar showing each advisor and their availability. If you are unavailable for the time shown, use the arrow to find an appointment suitable for you in the following weeks. Once you have found an appropriate slot, click the time and the screen at the bottom will pop up. On this page, you can describe what you'd like the appointment to be about, and don't worry if you don't know what you'd like to talk about, as there are a number of prompts along the side to give you inspiration. You can also upload documents such as CVs and application forms if you'd like to discuss them during your appointment. Once you've filled this in, click Confirm and you're good to go. When you book an appointment, you will receive an email to confirm and you will also get an email reminder on the day. All of your appointments are available on your dashboard, so if you need to cancel or reschedule, you can do so on your dashboard or contact us and let us know. Thank you for listening, and keep an eye out for our other videos covering general support in using LaunchPad Online. You can find us on YouTube at YSJ Launchpad, our Launchpad blog, Spotify podcast, and our social media channels, which are updated daily with new jobs, opportunities, and events. If you have any more questions, please do email us at jobsandops@yorksj.ac.uk.